Welcome to 3 Minute Tutors, your go-to channel for quick and informative tech updates. Today, we are diving into the future with top 5 must-have tech gadgets in 2024. From speakers to printers, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First up, we have the Sony ULT Field 1 waterproof Bluetooth speaker. This sleek and durable speaker delivers powerful sound with its IP67 waterproof and shockproof design. Perfect for any adventure, it boots up 12 hours battery life and a USB-C charging connection. Say hello to your new favorite travel companion. Number 2. Rubik's Connected Cube. Next, we have the Rubik's Connected Cube, a modern twist on a classic puzzle. With Bluetooth connectivity and a companion app, solving the cube has never been more interactive. Track your progress, compete with your friends, and master the cube like a pro. Get ready to twist and shout with the Rubik's Connected Cube. Looking to add a touch of retro charm to your space? Look no further than the Vestaboard Message Board. With its customizable spill flap design, this high-tech display is sure to turn hands. Whether you're sharing message or displaying updates, the Vestaboard is the perfect blend of invention. Number 4. OXO Sweep Swipe Laptop Cleaner. Keep your devices sparkling clean with the OXO Sweep Swipe Laptop Cleaner. This compact gadget features a microfiber pad and retractable brush, making it perfect for screens and keyboards. Say goodbye to smudges and dust. Cleaning has never been easier. Number 5. Fujifilm Instax Mini Link to Smartphone Printer. Last but not least, we have the Fujifilm Instax Mini Link to Smartphone Printer. Instantly print photos from your smartphone with this portable printer. With the built-in motion control and fun drawing features, the Instax Mini Link 2 is perfect for capturing memories on the go. Say cheers! And there you have it, folks, the top 5 must-have tech gadget of 2024. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on 3 Minute Tutors.